All right, I'm Dr. Paul. We just wrapped up our personal injury documentation seminar, which basically, scale of 1 to 10, we're here with Chance. Chance is an interesting situation. You are actually, your parents were chiropractors, right?
Yeah.
You actually are owner of 4 different offices?
Working.
3 or 4?
Working for it.
Okay, so you're in, but it was basically your parents own them, right?
Correct.
Okay. And you've been at this for 20, 30 years?
28 years.
You've been in the chiropractic office working to some degree, going to chiropractic seminars for 28 years.
Absolutely.
How does this relate to all the other seminars you've ever taken?
It's pretty awesome.
Meaning
It
what?
really is.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best, what would you say this is?
I'd say at least a 15.
Is that right?
To be honest.
Is that right?
Yeah, as far as going back, putting it to use, what we can do to build our business, awesome.
Now remember, I said we were going to cover 5 categories in detail. I said we were going to cover the top 5 financial drivers. How well did we do that?
Excellent.
A little detail or unbelievably great detail?
Very detailed.
Okay.
Very detailed.
We said we were going to cover the 4 categories to defend the case and the documentation necessary for that. Did we do that?
Absolutely.
General or in great detail?
Very detailed again.
We said we were going to cover the 12 steps to tell the story to support the injury award. Did we do that?
Absolutely.
Can you see how important that is?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Then we said we were going to talk about the 4 different injury award offers, from no offer, the low offer, the high offer, the policy limit award. And we said you're going to know the documentation that's going to be necessary, that you're going to need, that's going to put that injury award in one category or the other. Did we do that?
Absolutely.
You know what that's based on now, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Okay. In other words, you're going to be able to tell the attorneys what kind of case they have before they even know, aren't you?
Absolutely.
That's pretty powerful, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
And then I said we're going to cover the 4 types of injury awards based on the doctor's documentation. We did that in the financial claims worksheet. Remember when we did?
Yes.
We actually did that yesterday.
Yes.
We covered the documentation that covers the injury award necessary for the medicals, impairment, pain and suffering, and the prognosis and need for future care. And we showed in great detail how a typical soft tissue spinal injury case with no disc injury, no fracture, how when you totaled it all up using medical legal reimbursement came out to $110,000, didn't we?
Yeah.
And that was in great detail, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yes, it was.
Yeah. What would you say your biggest takeaway was from this seminar?
My biggest takeaway from this seminar is just basically tying into what we're already doing, tweaking it some, and knowing how to be able to deliver it to the attorneys that we work with.
Right. Now, I asked one of your doctors you're with before I said, because I get this all the time, because you've got a lot of experience prior to coming here with personal injury, right?
Absolutely.
And I say, I hear it all the time. Doctors that have been practicing 20 years and they go to all these seminars and Croft and all that. And prior to coming in here, I typically say on a scale of 1 to 10, how well did you know personal injury? Now, prior to coming in here and learning all of my stuff, you would have said what?
I would have said 8 to 9.
Right.
Honestly.
Right.
I felt pretty comfortable with it.
Now that you're learning my stuff, now how much would you say you really knew versus what you thought you knew?
I'm kind of ashamed to say, but I'd probably say 3, 4.
Right. I get that all the time. Doctors that think they've taken the Croft enough, they go, I'm 9 or 10, I've taken Croft. They come in here and how fast? How quickly is it before you realize, you go, oh my God.
It's the way it's presented and what we can do to present it.
And
It's
to put it
important.
together.
Yeah.
I mean, did we put together some tight, specific information or what?
Absolutely.
That relates to you every Monday. In other words, it's not just research that you'll never see, right?
Yeah.
Right.
That's correct.
Right. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
Appreciate it.